Hello, my dear children. On behalf of Jet Kids International School Pusat, I welcome you all again to the virtual class 1. Our subject science. Today's our topic is number 3 plants and subtopic as you know revision. So children, up to now we have completed revision of 2 lessons of science. In today's video children, we are going to start revision of lesson number 3, that is plants. So children, let's take a look that which are the points in this lesson that we are going to learn. We can see this by learning checklist. So number 1, we are going to study plants everywhere. Then types of plants. And then parts of plants. So these are the points are here that we are going to cover. We are going to study in this lesson. So children, let's get started with this picture. Look at the picture given below. Now you have to observe this picture properly. What you can see here children? So as we can see here, so many plants are here. We can see beautiful flowers with beautiful colors. Yes. So children, now we have to give answers of the questions which has given below this picture. So now read the questions and underline the correct answers. So number 1 is, what do you see in the picture shown above? So children, as we can see, two options are here. We have to choose the right answer, correct answer, and we have to underline it. So number 1 is, what do you see in the picture shown above? So the answer is plants. Answer is plants. Second one, are all plants of the same kind? So the answer is no. All plants are not same. Okay. Then number 3, are all plants living things? So as we know, we learnt it in detail in our lesson number 1. Okay, things around us, living things and non-living things. So the answer is yes. Plants are living things. Plants make our surroundings green. Let us learn more about plants. So children, as we know, plants make our surroundings green, clean. Okay, now in this lesson, we will learn more about plants. So, if you are having to your textbook children, see this picture, plants everywhere, plants everywhere. Plants grow everywhere. Some plants grow on land, some plants grow in water. So children, plants are everywhere. It grows everywhere. Okay. Some plants grow on land and some plants we can see it grow in water also. So children, how's the plants are everywhere? So we can see the plants near our house also. So we can see it along the roadside. See the picture of road. Yes, both the side of this road we can see plants. Near our house we can see the plants. Then we can see in third picture that lotus growing in water. It means some plants grow in water also. Some plants grow in water. For example, lotus. See lotus? We can see it grows in water. So plants are everywhere. Getting? Now types of plants. Types of plants. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. Plants are of different shapes and also different sizes. First of all, we will see wonder. First of all, we will see wonder. Okay. The largest banyan tree in the world is located in Botanical Garden, Kolkata. It is 250 years old. So children, now we are looking wonder. Okay, for your kind information, for your GK. Yes, one wonder is here. The largest banyan tree. As we know, banyan tree is a, yes, big tree. But the largest banyan tree in the world is located in Botanical Garden, Kolkata. Where we can see Botanical Garden in Kolkata. In Kolkata we can see. Okay. Now it is 250 years old. Now it is 250 years old. This banyan tree. Got it, children? Now as we are looking types of plants. So first of all we will see big plants. So try to read with me, children. Keep your finger on the first line. Some plants grow big and strong. Big plants with strong branches are called trees. Trees live for many years. Apple, banyan, pine and coconut are examples of trees. So children, some plants grow big and strong. Some plants are big and also strong. Big plants with strong branches are called trees. Big plant with strong branches are called trees. So what is meant by trees, children? Big plants with strong branches are called trees. Trees live for many years. Okay. So these are trees, children. It lives for many years. Why? The answer is in front of you. Because these trees are strong. That is why they live for many years. Like apple, banyan, pine and coconut are example of trees. Okay. Apple tree is the example of big plant. Then banyan tree is also, pine tree is also, coconut. These all are big trees. Getting? Big plants. Now move to next. Okay. See the examples, children? Yes. Number 1, apple tree. Number 1, apple tree. Second one, banyan tree. Third is pine tree. And last, coconut tree. Coconut tree. Okay. So children, these all are big plants. Apple tree, banyan tree, pine tree, coconut tree. These all are the examples of big plants. As you can see that these are big plants. Getting? Now next, small plants. Next one, we are looking type of plants. Okay, we have seen big plants. Now we are looking small plants. Okay. So children, some plants are small but strong and bushy. They are called shrubs. Hibiscus, mehndi and jasmine are examples of shrubs. So children, see examples of this small plant. Example is hibiscus plant. Some plants are small, yes, but strong and bushy also. Some plants are small but strong and bushy also. So such type of plants are called shrub. So what is meant by shrubs, children? Plants which is small but strong and bushy are called shrubs. Examples are hibiscus, mehndi and jasmine. These are the examples of shrub. So these plants are small but strong and bushy. Getting? Now next one, children. Some plants are very small and have soft stems. They are called herbs. These plants are short-lived. Grass, brinjal and tomato are example of herbs. So children, some plants are very small and have soft stems. So children, what is meant by stem? Stem, it means part of plant that grows above the ground. In the next video, in the next part, we will see the part of the plant. Okay, we will see the parts of the plant. So here in that we will see in detail about stem with picture. So children, some plants are very small and have soft stems. They are called hubs. These plants are short lived. Their life is short. Okay, they short lived. Like grass, like brinjal and tomato, these are the examples of herbs. Okay, see the picture of grass. Yes, this is also herb. Then picture of, yes, what we can see? Tomato. This is a tomato plant. This is also herb. So grass and brinjal and tomato, these are the examples of herbs. Tomato plants, these are the examples of herbs. Getting children? Now next one, some plants have very weak stem. They need some support like walls, other plants or sticks to grow straight. These plants are called climbers. Money plant and grapevine are example of climbers. Now children, we are looking about climbers. What is meant by climbers? Some plants have very weak stem. Very weak stem. We can see some plants. Like we can see grapevine, like money plant. Okay. So what they need some support. They need some support like wall, like other plants or sticks also to grow straight. As you can see example of money plant. Okay, it needs support of stick or other plants or walls. We can see in our houses also. So these plants are called climbers. Yes, so these plants are climbers. So example is money plant, then grapevine. Okay, so children, these plants they need a support of walls, other plants and sticks to grow straight. So that's why it calls climbers. Okay, so grapevine and money plant is the example of climber. Now next one, some plants grow along the ground. Some plants grow along the ground. They are called creepers. Pumpkin and watermelon are examples of creepers. Now children, there are some plants that we can see they grow along the ground. As you can see the picture of pumpkin plant. Yes, it grow along the ground. So such type of plants it means creepers. Pumpkin and watermelon is the example of creepers. Okay. So children, what is meant by creeper? The plants which grow along the ground, it's called creeper. And the example is pumpkin and watermelon. Getting children? So in this way we have seen types of plants, big plants and small plants. In small plants we learned shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Hope you got it very well children. So in this way children we have seen this. So you have to go through it children. So you have to learn the questions and answers. You have to do study. Go through it. Take care. Till then, thank you children.